currently 7:30, well 28 minutes past 7. Going fishing today, guys. On the River Don. Gonna try and like a few carp. Weather looks depending. Jesus. Can't wait. Got something in my eye. I'm just gonna have some toast in that. And yeah, hopefully we'll catch. Weather looks depending. I've got a bra anyway, just in case. That's just my toast done. Yeah, guys. I'm buzzing. I'm just gonna eat this toast and I'm gonna get ready. And then next time you see me, I'll be fully dressed. Yo guys, I'm back. Ready now. Buzzing, man. Not fished the River Don in quite a long time, probably. Net pole rod. That's all I'm taking. So yeah. I ended up cutting my head yesterday. Haha. So yeah guys, got bait, that's all I need, to be honest, going light. So yeah guys, just waiting for Mac. Well, Mac's just on his way down soon, so I don't know, a bit overcast, looks like it's gonna rain, but it's sunny as well. It was warm yesterday. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Come near the window. Yeah, I've got a feeling we're gonna catch today. And I hope we do. It's exciting. So yeah, so next time you see me, my rods will be in water and I'll be sat chilling. So next time you see me, guys, we'll be at the River Don.
No.
You know, guys, there's a boat coming through. Look, see? My tip's right low. And there's a boat coming through. So yeah, guys. He's parking up. Must have been on a little stroll. I just had a few bleeps. So yeah, that's like Rosie and Jimbo. Yeah guys, I don't think he's gonna stop. What's he doing, man? So yeah guys, it's currently sunny. I'm back. Yeah. So I'll catch you guys later. Yo guys, this is basically gonna fucking run, man. Fuming. Robert Logs just still fishing that adult. Just parking up like. Gee, that's what I'll capture it for YouTube live. But it's gonna have a home now. Yeah guys. I hope it's revving. Put 4 revs on. I think he's got my line mingled up. I just cast him to that one now, I won't run on that. And yeah. Anyway, I'll see you later. Yo guys, I'm back at home now. Came home because it was shit. And this is for today's vlog. That's about it. When that a frog jumped on me and I proper cacked me son. Oh my days. Like, I don't know how to put it, but it was bad. But yeah guys, this is today's vlog. If you're new, subscribe, turn post notifications on, leave a comment, leave a like if you like to. And yeah, I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog, because I start work tomorrow, but I'll be vlogging after work. And Robot Vlogs, and yo guys, back fishing Rods are in, net's ready. Brawl is up. Yeah, I'm casting up to the bottom, Max casting up to that white one. Let me just zoom in. Max casting up to that one. I'm literally just in them little reeds. So yeah guys. But this is the stretch we're fishing. There's some boats and that. And cloud looks alright. So yeah guys. Decent. I suppose. I don't know if it's going to rain or out, but yes, so this is just a view at Stretch and where we are fishing. I've got tipped down to water and that. So yeah guys, this is just the lake, I mean river. Just a bit windy. As you can tell, a bit snaggy. But it's alright. So yeah. Next time you'll see me, hopefully I'll have a fish.